You guys have seen, I did get pulled over. It's Snapchat. They pulled me over because I had no license plate light, which I think is bullshit, but it's whatever. So right now I'm about to change these wheels. Well, it's only one on there, but I'm gonna take it out, put this one on, cause I'm gonna go get some new tires installed on these 26s to slap them on all the way around on Snapchat.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might.
Got the tire change. You guys see that? Let's lower this thing. Hey guys, so these are the new tires we're gonna be putting on. The Tahoe LTZs. These are 295 30 26s. Freshly brand new. You can see the sticker. I've had them for a bit in the just sitting in my storage. Got these putting on, and then we got these 20s, which are prepped for paint. Some new meats for these as well.
Fuck the niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel.
We got the new tires right there. I'm about to mount them on.
Nah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Okay guys, we're back home. We're gonna go ahead, switch out all the wheels with the 26s with the brand new tires. Got the gun here, jack.
No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, need the last one not to get the stove. No way, not one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me is you with it, you bitch.
Okay guys, so I did end up ordering some new center caps because I broke 2 of them, and obviously I couldn't find 2 more, so instead I just ordered all 4 of them again. The wheels will be getting repainted, and you guys will see that hopefully soon. But we got all of them on. Let's slap on the new center caps.
Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers.
Hey guys, this is the final look on the 26s with the 295 30s. Brand new tires all the way around. Back to our original look. I'm gonna go ahead, give it a quick wash. It's real dirty when I can see it. Yeah, look at that. Dirty, so we're gonna go ahead, give it a wash, and that'll be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.
Wasn't cool. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all that night top rhyming, yeah bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah bitch. Hey, silver spoon, I know you.